Akiaria rigongona-inĩ rĩa mahoya kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP Rigathi Gachagua augĩte kwa ihinda rĩu aikari a kaunti ya Mandera makoretwo magĩikara na guoya na wagagu nĩ ũndũ wa kũhobanĩrio nĩ mbirarũ cia kuma Jubaland ĩrĩa ĩrĩ mũhuro-inĩ wa bũrũri tũrigainĩ wa Somalia, ũhoro ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa.
Tumeona ya kwamba nchi yetu imevamiwa by troops from foreign countries. Pale Mandera, maaskari ya Jubaland wameingia Mandera. They have occupied more than half of the town. Waliua watu 5. 7 people have been injured and many people have been displaced, including schools.
We cannot allow foreign forces who are heavily armed to come and start operating within our territory. The people of Mandera today are living in fear. Some cannot access their farms, some cannot get their children to school. And as we speak, there are those out of fear who are moving away.
Kũringana na atongoria aya, mbirarũ ici nĩ ithararĩtie thayũ wa aikari a Mandera na njĩra nene, ũndũ ũrĩa waya gũkorwo ũrĩ ũgwati kũrĩ bũrũri wothe wa Kenya, na nĩkĩo rĩu maramũrĩka thirikari ya President Ruto na makĩria ministry ya ũrangĩri nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga kũmũrĩka kana kwarĩrĩria thĩna ũyũ.
We are asking the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces to immediately order an operation to flush out foreign troops out of our land. This is our country. We have a responsibility to protect our territorial integrity, and it cannot be that forces from Somalia can come into Kenya and occupy our land and terrorize our people.
Mĩario ya atongoria aya yũkĩte mũthenya ũmwe thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ya Mandera Eden Khalif kũmenereria mbirarũ ici akiuga ikoretwo igĩthararia mĩtũrĩre ya aikari a kaunti ĩyo o hamwe na gũtambia wagagu, na nĩkĩo rĩu arenda thirikari hamũrithie mbirarũ ici kuma kaunti ĩyo.
BP1 primary school is now closed, and there are people who want to do exam in the next 1 month. How do you close a public school and turn it into a military training camp? It is impossible. So tunawaeleza immediate relocation of Jubaland force out of Mandera.
Ngirifuatĩra Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.